Hi, how do you complete this Excel intermediate level? Well, um, you come to this here and then you click on these buttons and you start learning. Now, each and why do I design in such a way? Well, let's learn about this. How can you achieve extraordinary result? Well, first of all is that you need to. There are 3 steps. First is just a little extra each day. Yes, it has to be each day. Now, for example, we have 3 person A, person B, and person C. Now, person B do nothing, share nothing impactful. That was me many years ago. And then I changed. Right, I changed to person A. But before that, I also in person C's shoes as well. I watch YT, YouTube, I comment, and then I blame here and blame there. I was in person C as well. So by that I mean is that if I blame the situations, so all I need to do is that I keep doing it for 365 days, just that from 1, right? Everyone start with 1, okay? Start with 1. Everyone start with 1. But after a while, because I keep doing it every single day, blaming here or wasting my energy here for no purpose, and guess what? My 1, because of the negative result of negative actions, I complain here and there and seek no improvement. I become just, you see, on that day basis, it's only 0.01% differences, 0.1, no, I mean just not percent, right? Just 100%, right? So it's just 1% differences, right? Over 365 days, it becomes 0.025. Okay? Now, and another hand is that I can choose do nothing. Do nothing, right? Just go by, life just go by. So that brings out the concept of that if a person see consistently doing something, it will also go to someday. Consistent. Now I know that the power of consistency over 365 days. Now person A, just like me, share one video, create one video that is impactful enough. Example, this is one, and instead of just one video, right? I'm saying that it's just that 0.01. Every day consistently doing it is 37. So everyone start at the same line. Okay, everyone start at the same line. I mean, this is like you're racing, right? So like racing, everyone start at the same line. But after 365 days, because of what they do, how impactful they do, just share one video that is impactful, or do nothing, just stay still there. Stand still, right? Not seeking improvement. Then, and this one is not only going is going backward. After 365 days, poor me, man. From 1, it become this, and that's how people become poor. See, complain, Now, person A is a person who see a complaint and turn it into a solution, or find ways to find a solution, right? So it's so focused, and the result is 36. So let's see what is the third one. So you should focus on a progress. Focus on the progress. So that's why if you are contribute something useful every day, you know that you are progressing, because the outcome will always be better, right? Right? If you can just have one video a day on YouTube, that is, and there's one person, just one person say like it, your result will be very different. Now, how about a decade? Right, you got it. Let's look at, everyone start at 1. After a decade, just 1, a 0, right? A decade is 10 years. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So maybe I'll just talk about that roughly around 2 years, right? Okay, 2 years. So so I'm saying that so that's 2, and this 365 days, and I'm just making this one times this one here. Okay, so as you can see here by now, that this clearly explain to you that a person will keep complaining, and you wonder like, why is it life become more and more miserable because of this? And if you keep spending your time on something unnecessary, the result could be this, right? And now what if there's one activities that you do and it become zero, right? So that is so impactful that you got this. See? And same goes to here. What if I do 100% more than what is necessary? And you can see that in just 2 years' time. So that's bring out the concept of how to achieve extraordinary. Well, I hope that you learned something useful, and don't underestimate what you can what you do in a day. Sorry, don't overestimate what you can do in a day, and don't underestimate what you can do over a decade or even 2 years. Just keep doing it. So that means that keep learning one at a time. Don't complete all this in one go, right? So this is just a suggestion, right? So you watch one, it's just 6 minutes a day, but because of what you do it 6 minutes a day, 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 10 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day, 60 minutes a day, 60 minutes a day, 60 minutes a day, 3 minutes a day, 3 minutes a day, 6 minutes a day, 6 minutes a day, or 7 minutes a day, 7 minutes a day, 7 minutes a day, 8 minutes a day, 8 minutes a day. So over 365 days, it did a year, your result is how many times from this, right? So you can see a differences, right? So divide by this, sorry, it should be minus this, so, and then divide by this. Okay, what is the progress? What's the percentage? Internal percentage is, oh yeah, that's the 6%, right? So if it's 2 years, well, you can't, because there is no full part, right? So we don't use this method. But there's no harm to give it a try, right? So that's using a progress. So Remember it says that yeah, there you are. Alright, so concept of extraordinary is that every day you just do a little bit more, learn a little bit more positively, not negatively, right? If negatively, as you can see that if you're consistent doing it both way, it will be this, the differences. So you wonder like, hey, how is it a person become extraordinary? Extraordinary. Here is the answer. Thanks for watching. I hope you benefit from this video.